viewers, welcome back to Tinker Lab Stream Project Motor Machines and Home. My name is Chaitanya Pisat and today I am going to show you how to build the bird in the cage, activity number 5 and page number 12. So let's begin. So what I have taken is the rocker switch, motor bit. I have taken the card of the bird and the cage and stuck it on a thin big straw. I have taken the power source, I have taken the focus bits, last and the biggest string, the two magnetons, the bike pop block, the big wire and the double pop block. Let's start assembling. So our first mechanism is ready and let's start assembling the second mechanism. So what I have done is my two mechanisms are ready. Just I will attach the wires and meet it. So my second two mechanisms are ready and now let's test it out. 3, 2, 1. It's working. Can you see the animation? The bird is in the cage. Thanks for watching this video and bye.